Hello, this is Christina from Nexus. We had a single family house in Framingham located at 19 Claudette Circle, 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath. We are starting in the spacious living room. Dining room table, you can have it if you wish. If not, owner will dispose of it. Next, we will enter the first bedroom. Same with the piano. You may keep it or ask to be removed. Nice windows, plenty of light during the day, nice bright light bulbs for the unit. Closet, decent sized closet. Hardwood floors as you see all throughout the unit. And freshly painted all walls. This house presents very well. Nice good location. Kitchen, stainless steel appliances. Electric stove. From here we'll go outside to the spacious balcony and quick peek at the yard. Alright, back inside. Notice the closet ahead. Next up is the full bathroom located centrally to the unit. Nicely updated. Very good. From here we're going to the second bedroom. Nice colors for the unit. And the half bath. And a quick spin around this room. Next up will be the third bedroom on our left, and straight ahead is the fourth bedroom. Each room has a nice closet. There's all similar sizes and shapes. Again, nice bright light bulbs, so even on a dark day, everything presents very well and bright. Great, this is the fourth bedroom, and last step is the partially finished basement. Nice and spacious, perfect for storage or perhaps entertaining some parties. There is a built-in bar area. You can get creative with what you could do in the space. And the laundry is located down here as well, so I will show you that next. Washer and dryer conveniently in the building. This lawn furniture can be used by future tenant. And an additional freezer if you had parties and needed to store a lot of food. And last peek is exit to the yard. Again, from the basement area to give you a quick idea.